Botox, some call it a miracle, some call it poison. But what's the real story? Today, let's uncover the truth about Botox. Welcome to Health and Glow. I'm Dr. Kavita Agrawal, a plastic surgeon, and today, we're dissecting the one, the only, Botox. The origin story. Back in the 1800s, people got sick after eating spoiled sausages. Scientists found the cause: Clostridium botulinum. The twist? The same toxin, when purified in tiny doses, became a safe medicine. By the 1980s, doctors were using it to relax muscles, and that's how Botox was born. The accidental beauty revolution. Doctors noticed something weird: patients getting Botox for eye twitches had their frown lines disappearing. How it works? Simple metaphor: think of your muscles like curtains. With age, they pull tighter, creating folds, wrinkles. Botox works like a gentle hand that relaxes the curtain, so the folds disappear, and the skin looks smooth again. Uses beyond beauty: frown lines, crow's feet, forehead wrinkles. Excessive sweating, migraines, jaw clenching or teeth grinding. Even for eye spasms, hyperhidrosis, feet and hand. Safe when done right. Quick 10-minute procedure, no cuts, no surgery, just tiny injections. Results look natural when done by experts. The experience. What to expect. Before the procedure. Consultation, 15 to 30 minutes discussing your goals and facial assessment. Prep. Avoid blood thinners, alcohol, and excessive sun exposure for 24 to 48 hours. Realistic expectations. Botox softens lines, it doesn't eliminate them completely. During the procedure, 10 to 15 minutes. The setting, clean medical room, you'll be sitting or slightly reclined. The process. O-face cleaned with antiseptic or ultrafine needle injections, feels like small pinpricks, or 3 to 8 injection points typically for crow's feet or forehead or eyes may be applied to reduce discomfort. Pain level. Most describe it as less painful than plucking eyebrows. Immediately after procedure, what to expect. Normal. Small red bumps at injection sites, gone within hours. Do's: stay upright for 4 hours. Don'ts: no rubbing, lying down, heavy exercise, or facials for 24 hours. The timeline. When will you see results? The waiting game: day 1 to 3, nothing noticeable, this is normal. Day 4 to 7, gradual muscle relaxation begins. Days 10 to 14, full effects visible. Peak results, 2 to 3 weeks post-treatment. How long does it last? First timers, 3 to 4 months typically. Regular patients, often extends to 4 to 6 months. The science: your body gradually metabolizes the toxin, and nerve connections regenerate. Factors affecting duration. Metabolism: faster metabolizers see shorter results. Exercise: high-intensity workouts may reduce longevity. Dosage: higher doses, within safety limits, last longer. Individual response: everyone's unique. Myth: Botox is unsafe. Fact: in tiny doses, it's proven safe and trusted worldwide. Myth: Botox will freeze your face. Fact: done right, it looks natural, you'll still smile and express. Myth: Botox is only for women. Fact: more and more men use it to look fresh and confident. It's permanent. Reality: Botox is completely reversible. Effects wear off in 3 to 6 months as your body naturally processes it. It causes addiction. Reality: there's no chemical dependency. People return because they like the results, not because they're addicted. The confidence paradox. Does Botox build confidence or create dependency on external validation? Some argue that Botox empowers people to feel their best. Others worry it teaches us that our natural faces aren't good enough. Which perspective resonates with you? Myth: stopping Botox makes you age faster. Fact: not true, you simply return to your natural expression lines. The numbers game. Botox by the statistics. Global impact: $7.6 billion, global Botox market size, 2023. 7 million, annual procedures in the US alone. 36% increase in procedures since 2000. 91% patient satisfaction rate. Demographics: average age, 35 to 50 years old. Gender split, 90% women, 10% men, but male usage growing 300% since 2000. Top areas treated: forehead lines, crow's feet, frown lines. Repeat rate: 87% of patients return for additional treatments. The bottom line: is Botox right for you? Botox represents one of medicine's most fascinating journeys, from deadly poison to beauty elixir. Whether you choose to embrace it depends on your personal values, goals, and comfort with cosmetic enhancement. Skip Botox if you prefer completely natural aging, have medical contraindications, can't afford ongoing treatments, have unrealistic expectations about results. Takeaways or insights: the market for Botox and other injectables in India is growing fast, both in terms of number of procedures and revenue. Botox, botulinum toxin type A, is the largest single injectable product in terms of revenue among facial injectables. The average cost and awareness are increasing, which is helping more people opt for these treatments. But even with growth, the number of Botox procedures, 100,000 crore, is still much smaller compared to some Western countries. There's huge potential to grow further. Regulatory and safety aspects remain a concern, especially because some non-qualified providers may be offering these treatments. This is what Botox can do to your face: gives younger and fresh look.
Powerful looks, lasting confidence.
Friends, so next time you hear Botox, don't just think frozen face. Think science, safety, and skin that shines brighter. Reveal the best version of your safe, effective, natural results. Regain your confidence with every smile. Subtle changes, powerful impact. Trust only qualified experts for your Botox treatment. Because looking good is not vanity, it's self-care. Thank you for watching Discover a fresher, more confident you with Botox treatment. In case of any queries, be free to contact Millennium Clinic Dr. Kavita Agrawal, Plastic and Cosmetic Surgeon.